From the last few years, great emphasis has been given by the central government towards the quick execution of infrastructure and safety projects in the northeastern states. The Northeastern Region Community Resource Management Society is registered society under the Ministry of Development for the Northeastern region. Through various livelihood programs, the group is dedicated to transforming far-flung rural areas of India's northeastern region. So far, the society has covered some districts from 4 states: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur and Meghalaya. Through its project, the Northeastern Region Community Resource Management Project, the society has developed 8,403 self-help groups and 2,889 natural resource management groups in some 2,532 villages, benefiting more than 1 lakh households. The society took a holistic approach to development with 2 broad focus areas. These are social mobilization organization and capacity building to tap and realize the potential of communities. Second is intervening with economic and social activities and infrastructure with predominant focus on income generating activities to achieve economic transformation. Let's have a look at the strategies adopted to achieve these goals. Capacity building of communities and participating agencies. The organization is strengthening the institutional capacity of community-based organizations and collaborating agencies like NGOs and line departments, etc. in participatory planning, organizational and financial management, technical training on farm and non-farm operations, monitoring and other areas. Economic and livelihood activities. Promote viable income generating activities for poor households by employing sustainable and ecological friendly practices in the production of field crops, horticulture, forestry, livestock, fisheries and non-farm enterprises. It is also assisting communities by introducing new technology, providing credit revolving funds to community-based organizations for internal loans. Social sector development. Here, the specific goal is to provide communities with safe drinking water and improved sanitation. This will be accomplished by constructing drinking water storage tanks, piping water from a local spring or stream, and community participation in the construction of low-cost toilets. Rural roads and rural electrification. With an objective to enhance citizens' access to markets, health services, education facilities and energy, the organization plans to construct common facility centers, inter-village roads, culverts, suspension bridges and provide home solar lighting systems. Community-based biodiversity conservation and communication. Noted as one of the most attractive places in India, Northeast India has much more to offer to its visitors. The beautiful northeastern states of India have the highest biodiversity. That is a major source of attraction. Now the goal is to safeguard and preserve the region's unique natural resources and diverse biodiversity. To achieve this goal, the following sub-components were used. The sub-components to achieve this objective were biodiversity conservation and research aimed at promoting community conserved areas as sacred groves, protected catchment areas and sanctuaries. Forestry development to promote and demonstrate environmentally sustainable non-timber forest products and forestry production systems, and communication and knowledge management to facilitate information and knowledge sharing on good practices and production systems between communities. That's all in today's segment. Thank you for watching.